Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it has been a while since we talked about or have shown the Evo really at all. Since we have split garages, you can't really see the Evo in my videos. So today we're going to talk about the Evo, and then I'll quick ask, would you guys like to see Jaimie do like a video of her fleet and what she thinks she might do with the vehicles she has from, the video point on, because she has some plans and stuff she wants to do, not including what happened in this video here. So here's a quick video update on the Evo, and then let us know what you think about, doing a little bit more Jaimie only talking about her vehicles. Thanks, bye. So for fun, Jaimie hit up my buddy who owns Area 1320, Ryan Gary. It is a all-wheel drive dyno and mostly a Subaru shop, but they are capable and can do much more than that. So she hit him up and she's like, well, it's been 2.5 years since I bought this Evo. We had our kid and we're finally ready to throw this thing on and do some touch-ups and start messing with it and see how it does and see if it's good and get a health check and everything else. And about 2.5 years ago, the person we bought it from, it did not run that great, so we had a friend do a bass tune, and then once he put a bass tune in it, we found out that it was breaking up quite a bit on low boost. So the plan there was to do coils and plugs and get it back to my buddy, but that just didn't happen, and we ended up doing houses and sales and moves and a child, and it was difficult, and it ran good enough, obviously, to cruise around, so didn't really care or worry about it. So, well, a quick hit there, and the Evo on 20 pounds on pump with the bass tune produced about 320 horsepower to all wheel, and it was bouncing around a little bit and seemed a little bit anemic. Obvious reasons, it's a bass tune. So my buddies there said, hey, do you want us to just go over it and tune it? Jaimie said, sure, what the hell, why not put my grocery getter tune in there for me? So they pulled the tune, and lo and behold, obviously on 20 pounds, it only had like 3 degrees of timing in it. So they did their magic, and we made a couple pulls, and we'll show them now. So, as you can see, how it left was about 401 horsepower to the tire on 20 pounds on 93 pump. And man, we have so many vehicles, I'm going to sound like a douche. I totally forget, I think the year this is a 06 Evo 9, and we bought it totally modded to the hilt. Not something we normally do. We're usually the people totally ruining vehicles, but this is how this went down. So, as far as I know, the mods list is a pistons rods engine. I don't have all the details. Jaimie has them, but it's not too dramatic or anything crazy or bottom barrel. Anyway, it's pistons rods, stock block, and then it has a slightly built head. It has 1mm oversized valves, cams, 272s, I believe, and then it has springs and retainers. From what I hear, it's like all the usual stuff to spin up a built motor nicely. And then it has a GT35R dual ball bearing, 3-inch catback on it. I'm not sure it's a mix and match. There's a bunch of welding going on under there, so it's a few different pieces. But other than that, it seems to be doing pretty good. It has It has 1,000s or 1,200 cc injectors, and I'm not sure on the pump. But one thing I might like to do for Christmas is get her a pump or pumps plural and injectors. And I think we could put it on E right now as long as it has sufficient amount of overhead. But it'd be nice to, you know, make maybe 500-600 with it safely and switch it to ethanol so it smells like cotton candy in the garage instead of some dirty pump fuel. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this quick update. Obviously, not a whole lot going on, but something different. And then Jaimie asked that I ask you guys if you would like to see some stuff from her absent of my blabbering. So let us know what you would think. She'll be checking out the comments too. Thank you very much. Bye.